Welcome back to our channel. Today we are in the city of Xi'an, uncovering one of its magnificent landmarks, the Xi'an Bell Tower, built way back in 1384. Let's dive into its rich history and architectural beauty. The Xi'an Bell Tower stands nearly 40 meters tall, covering over 1,377 square meters at its base. Built during the early Ming Dynasty, it symbolizes control over the surrounding countryside, providing early warning of any attackers. Can you imagine the historical significance this place holds? Just look at the stunning architecture. The combination of grey bricks and dark green glazed tiles, along with red and gold plated details, makes this tower a colourful masterpiece of Ming-style architecture. Those 3 layers of eaves, they not only enhance its beauty but also divert rainwater away from the building. The Xi'an Bell Tower is a true symbol of Xi'an and one of the grandest bell towers in China. This stunning structure is not only impressive in size but steeped in history. Let's head inside. Inside, a spiral staircase takes us up to the 2nd floor, where the view only gets better. Let's go take a look. Now, here we are on the second floor. From this vantage point, you can see the stunning drum tower, south, east, north, and west gate towers. It's a unique perspective that gives you a sense of how thoughtfully this bell tower was built as part of the city's defensive layout. Do you know that the Xi'an Bell Tower was relocated in 1582? Originally located near the Drum Tower, it marked the city centers for centuries. As Xi'an expanded, they actually moved it 1,000 meters east, a remarkable feat accomplished quickly and cost-effectively, preserving its original structure. Not just an architectural marvel, the Xi'an Bell Tower has played a vital role throughout history. It serves as a timekeeper and news disseminator in ancient times. But as history marched on, its functions evolved. During the 1911 revolution, fierce battles erupted here. And during the National Protection War between 1915 and 1916, it became a fresh point for uprisings. This tower is truly a witness to the nation's turbulent past. Today, the Bell Tower is a national-level cultural relic and a major tourist attraction. You can buy tickets to explore its beauty and immerse yourself in its rich history. It's clear that this site holds stories of 1,000 years. From its grand architecture to its pivotal role in history, it's a must-visit location when in Xi'an. If you enjoyed this journey through the historic Xi'an Bell Tower, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the world's wonders.